Hello there guys and welcome on into an unboxing video here of the UGREEN 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. This is a MagSafe charger that I've recently picked up for my new iPhone 17 Pro, and I wanted something that essentially can just sit on the desk, charge up my phone, and it also charges your AirPods on this as well. So we're going to be unboxing this, seeing what's inside, and giving you guys a little bit of an early test with what it's like with the phone itself. Of course, there will be a full review of this as per usual, but let's crack straight into the box. Now, as per usual, I want to mention that all of the links to the products that we use in all these videos and that we review and unbox are always in the description. So thank you to everyone that is, I've ripped the box already, but thank you to everyone that is using and clicking those links. They are, of course, Amazon affiliate links. So thank you to everyone that's buying their stuff through there. Even if you buy other stuff through those links, it does help support a small channel. So I want to make that something that we can explain to you guys very frequently. So this is a 2-in-1 magnetic charger. I'm kind of intrigued as to how this is actually going to feel in terms of weight. And it does feel quite heavy, which is good. I think having a MagSafe charger is great, but it could very easily topple over. That was sort of my concern with this. I also bought this on Amazon. I believe it was around 20 pounds, I want to say 17 pounds something. So there's the charger itself. It's sort of wrapped in this plastic coating or cover right there. So it also has a nice little rubber bottom here, so it's not going to move very easily on a table, which is very useful. It also has something else in here, I imagine is the cable, which I assume is going to be a USB-C cable. So let's take this out as well. There's some more stuff underneath, which we'll have a look at. So we've got the cable right there, I assume, as well as whatever this is, some legal thing probably. What else have we got here? We've got the help guide, which is going to be pretty useful. I mean, it's quite straightforward, right? Like, you just plug it in and put your phone on it. Put your AirPods on it as well. So this is the cable. Let's have a look at what the cable looks like right here. Let's have a little look. See, quite a simple unboxing today. Nothing too crazy. This is not a very complex product, but hopefully a good one, as we'll find out in our full review. So yeah, this is a standard USB-C to USB-C cable, approximately 1 meter long, so another 1 meter long USB-C cable. If you've been keeping up with the channel lately, I've been unboxing a lot of things that use USB-C, so I've pretty much got USB-C cable coming out of my ears at this point, but it's good to have another one, and of course it does plug into this wireless charger. If you do have a device that is previous to, I believe, the iPhone, what does it say on here? The iPhone 12 series, so it does say 12 to 15 series. Obviously we're on the 17 now, so this box is obviously outdated, but you can actually buy MagSafe adapters, so you can sort of make your older phone a MagSafe phone, or put it on your case if you want to use that, and you can just use a sort of regular sort of cheap wireless charging if you are interested in doing that. So yeah, we open up the plastic right here. How's it going to... It actually has instructions on the plastic itself. So, USB-C port for connecting the power supply. It doesn't actually come with a power brick, which is something to keep in mind. So if you are looking to pick this product up, or you have already picked this product up, just be wary, you might need to buy a power brick if you don't have one already. And this is it, the device itself. So it comes in a nice sort of a travel-friendly cube type look to it, which looks really nice. Got a little indicator on the front, which I assume is going to be power. And it's also, of course, got the USB-C port on the back, which you can then plug in, and it allows you to plug the cable in. Again, it's only a 1 meter long cable, so you might need something longer if you are putting it in a more difficult to reach place. And it does open up just like this, so there you go. It opens up, has a hinge, so a sort of nice metal actually hinge. Wasn't expecting that. It does get fingerprints on it quite easily, but metal looking hinge, maybe metal coated? I don't know. That does feel quite high quality, again, very fingerprinty. Maybe it's plastic coated in metal, or it's just metal look. It looks really nice, actually. The metal look does look really, really nice. So yeah, it has a really nice look to it. And of course it can fold all the way down. And that's quite a nice travel-friendly type form factor. Now what we want to see, how well does it actually attach to the iPhone? So it has a sort of two-way hinge right here, almost a two-axis. So you can sort of move it forward like that, or you can move it back, and then you can also move it on this axis to tilt up and down. Whether you want it sort of horizontal, maybe you want it vertical. I think most people are just going to sort of have it like that. So let's see how it looks. So let's put our iPhone 17 on it. I want to check to see if it's going to topple over if I just pop the 17 Pro on there. Let's have a look. Boom. It's not toppled over. That's great. And you can also, it does actually topple a little bit. So if I wanted to move it slightly, you can do it, but it's obviously going to be a little bit topply, I guess. You do have to be quite careful with how you do it. It does move around a slight bit, which is a bit more than I was hoping for. Maybe we tilt it up a little bit more like that. Yeah, that helps with the balance. But yeah, you can actually accidentally pick up the entire thing itself, which is not ideal. There is of course the AirPods charger at the bottom right there. So this, for me, my use case for this is going to be sort of to go on my bedside table. I can just pop my phone on there, don't have to worry about it, maybe even get another one to put on my desk. But it is quite light in the way that it just sort of, I don't know, if I pop my phone on there, it does wobble around a little bit, but it's not a massive deal. Yeah, when you're taking it off and you slide it down like that, it does topple over. Let's see. You almost have to, like, to take it off, you can't just grab it. You have to hold down the bottom of it in order to take it off, which is slightly annoying. Shouldn't be too big of a deal, but like I'm thinking laying in bed, bedside table, I just want to grab my phone, I end up taking the entire freaking charger with me, which is not the most ideal situation. What about if we put it sideways? Sideways looks good. Of course, you can put your AirPods then at the bottom. What about sideways? Yeah, again, you're just gonna have to hold down the, the charger in order to actually, yeah, not ideal. So we'll see how it holds up in the full review. But it does feel like a really nicely high quality product, nicely made, nicely built. Of course, comes with the USB-C cable as well as all the other stuff that we didn't really look at, the user guide, not that important. Slightly underweighted, I think, for the product. I don't know what other wireless chargers are like. I'm sure it'll work really well. It's just, maybe it needs to be held down by something. Maybe that's the idea. Maybe I need to put something on it and not worry about the AirPods charging. But I was looking forward to using the AirPods charging and having a 2-in-1 feature. And I guess if you have your phone like that, it's going to be quite difficult for the AirPods to sort of fit, I guess. But they should fit just fine. But yeah, pretty nice looking product so far. I'll let you guys know in the full review whether that sort of tilting, tipping problem is a problem, or whether it's just a non-problem, non-issue. Yeah, you just end up taking the entire charger with you, which is quite a funny thing. But thank you all for watching this unboxing. I will, as I said, let you know what I think of this product in the full review. So make sure to check that out if it is already out, and if it isn't already out, then make sure to look out for it very, very shortly. That has been an unboxing of the UGREEN 2-in-1 magnetic MagSafe charger. Thank you all so much for watching this unboxing. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Check out this video on the screen if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.